Hi guys, Jacques for INKISH TV, and I'm here on the Fujifilm stand, and they have a world premiere for us here, and let's find out what it is. So, hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
Yeah,
yes.
I can see you're smiling.
I am smiling. It's been busy. It's
Yeah.
been a busy show, so it's really good.
So you guys, you brought something new here on the floor, and it said something to do with hybrid, you said?
Yeah, that's right. It's our new hybrid machine.
Right.
We really pleased. The Acuity Prime series we launched 2 years ago, and we've had so much success with that. The last year we've installed 2 of our flatbeds every week over the last year, so it's been really successful for us, and we're really pleased to add to that range the new Acuity Prime Hybrid.
Right. So tell me a bit about the hybrid part then.
So the hybrid's great. So the previous Prime, just flat sheets. Now we're able to add to the range of roll media as well.
Okay.
So lots of sign printers, they need to do roll printing as well as flat sheets. So having this additional product into that Prime family is fantastic.
Okay, but I'm guessing it's not just the table that's new in the machine. So tell us a little bit more about the inkjet technology that you guys use. Maybe also a bit on the ink, because that's a bit of the magic part in the LED curing, I guess, of the system.
That's right, yes, we've got the LED lamps in there. This carriage actually is straight off the Prime, so it uses a tried and tested system, print heads, the ionizer bars on there are all well established. We've also got the automatic cleaning on here, so the machine is self-maintaining, much like our flatbeds. So important for customers, so at the end of a weekend, they come in Monday morning and the printer's waiting, ready to get on with production. So having that on here is great. The tables are very easy to move on and off, so customers can load media on at the back, feed it through, and they're up and running so quickly.
Right, as you were saying, it's hot. It's hot on the market because it's not out there yet.
Yeah, people
so it's
want
not
it.
available yet, you say?
Not just yet, so we're just previewing it here. We've got a test site lined up. One of the things though that our customers are really talking about at the moment is energy costs.
Yes.
So many machines use lots of energy, lots of heat to dry or to cure their inks. Well, ours is LED cured, so it's low energy. In fact, every machine on our stand, especially this one, has an energy meter. The energy meter tells you live what the machine is using. It keeps our customers' bills lower, makes their running costs better, gives them excellent return on their investment when they come with a Fujifilm product.
Perfect. So basically, as you say, ecology, efficiency, it's on everybody's mind, and obviously with business for everyone, it's getting tighter. It's very important to get that cost right.
Yes.
So basically, I think you told me as well that Fuji, you make your own inks?
Absolutely, yeah. So the ink in here is our UV Jet series of inks. So what we've got is a team of about 70 chemists back in the UK that formulate our inks. We've then got the largest UV inkjet factory in Broadstairs where it's all made. We put it into these print heads and we're getting excellent results. So we're getting high colour gamut. Even in draft mode on this machine, our customers are able to achieve fantastic colour results.
Right, how many colours is on this one?
4 colours, this is CMYK, and that's another really important thing. Lots of machines rely on light colours to make their images look good. We don't need that. We're getting, in draft mode, with just 4 colours, fantastic results. Now that means that they're using about 25% less ink by going 4 colour than having to go down a 6 colour route with light colours.
By the broad gamut.
Absolutely, broad colour gamut. I mean, look at these prints coming off here. This is draft mode. This is the draft mode on the machine.
What's the resolution in draft mode?
Draft mode, it'll be about 600 DPI printing on here.
It goes up to 1200, I guess?
Yeah, that's it, with smoothing added on as well.
So are you laying down, let's say, a type of a primer first, or like a
We don't need any primers.
No?
So our ink goes directly onto substrate. There's no need for a primer underneath. There's no need for an overcoat to protect it from scratching. This ink, straight off press, scratch-resistant products, excellent quality. Look at that, for a draft mode, 60 square meters an hour on this printer.
Yeah, I guess that's a bit the magic factor of the Fuji ink, isn't it?
That's the joy of having UV cured ink. It's straight onto the media, no need for...
And comes out right.
Yeah, absolutely.
Perfect. Well, fantastic. Well, first of all, thank you for
thank you
for sharing this to our viewers. That we got the premiere here, and I see blueprint, and it's also a bar. That's right. Let's get one and celebrate your new machine.
Absolutely.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.